Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mushfiqur Rahman and you are watching God of Experiment. So alright guys, you can see I have a normal kite in my hand and it's a normal kite. Everyone fly this normal kite. But what happens if we fly a kite that actually 10 times bigger than normal kite? So what are you waiting for? Let's fly this kite. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So alright guys, let's fly this kite. So enough talk, let's just keep watching our video. So alright.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
So alright guys, it's a failed experiment but we try our best. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoy this video, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. So this is God of Experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I will catch you in the next video. So thanks for watching.